particular website has actually paid me over $2,000. Yeah, if you have been on this street for a very long time now, you will know that I am obsessed with this website, and this is because this is where I got my first freelance job. Now, if you come on this website any day, anytime, you will always get new jobs that you can actually apply to. I have a free template where you don't even have to, scratch your head or stress yourself when it comes to applying. I have a free template about this particular website and what you can use to apply on this particular website on our Telegram channel. So if you are new on this platform and you have not joined our Telegram channel, what are you waiting for? As you can see, this particular customer service phone agent job was actually posted yesterday, and the poster has already spent $3 million. Now, when someone has spent $3 million on this particular website, the person is verified. I have made a video about how to verify vendors on this particular website. Now, this person is looking for a customer service phone agent, and it is actually remote. Believe you me, this is my image, this is my picture that you're seeing here, because this is actually my profile. So I started my freelance job as a chat support, like a customer chat support. All I do is to respond to emails, messages, social media messages for clients that do not have that time. So I write my application letter and I send to customers on this particular website, and that was how I badged my first freelance job, which went smoothly for about 3 months or so. So with that being said, guys, I'll be sharing this particular website with you. And if you stick with me to the end of this video, I'll be sharing with you, spilling some, secrets, some info secret about how you can make money using this particular website, because this is the website I started with. So anyone, anybody, anywhere, even if you are in Nigeria, you can actually make money on this website. Take a look at this Indeed job that was posted just yesterday. Hiring for Indeed job posting, and the person is in Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria, you can actually pitch your way through with this particular, employer looking to hire you. You understand? This particular employer has actually spent up to $1,000 on this particular website just to hire people. This is my mobile phone. All you have to do is to open your Apple Store or your Play Store, and you click on the search button and search for a website called Upwork. Now, Upwork, not ordinary Upwork, but Upwork Talent. So you can scroll down and look for Upwork Talent. If you can't see Upwork Talent, just type Upwork Talent. Please observe what I've written here. It's Upwork Talent. Now, they have it as Upwork for freelancers. So definitely you need a skill to sign up on this website. And if you do not have a skill, for a chat support, you don't really need a skill. You understand? For a chat support, you can just click on it and open it like this. For a chat support, you don't really need a skill. So you focus on applying for jobs that are for customer chat support or customer chat agent. Yes, because if you do not even have a skill, you can actually work on this website. All you have to do is to focus on work that are actually for customer chat support and are for entry levels. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? This is Kemi of Self Hustle. Please do well to like this video, and please drop a comment in the comment section to encourage me, and let me know if you'll be interested in signing up on this website. Just comment, I will sign up, or I will check this website out. Let me know what your interest is, or if you want me to create another video about this particular website or something else, please do well to state it in the comment section. If I'm able to get up to 200 comments under this post, I'll be sharing with you another crazy easy website that you can use to make money from Nigeria or from the comfort of your home. So with that being said, the name of this website, like I have said, is called Upwork. Now, Upwork is a particular freelancing website where you come and apply for jobs. You get a lot of jobs. Like this particular website is like a job search website. You understand? So no long gist, no long comment. Just look for jobs that you can apply to, especially the ones that are posted recently. Like these ones are posted yesterday. These are recent jobs. They are posted yesterday. So there are a lot. Depending on what you do, you get. Now, you need a skill to work on this website, and at the same time, you do not need a skill. The only job I know that you can do on this website that do not require you to actually have a skill is the one that is customer chat support. Yes, customer chat support. You really do not need a skill for customer chat support. Let me type it out. Customer chat support. Believe me when I tell you, you can just browse this thing on YouTube and learn more about it. Browse it on Facebook and learn more about it. So you have this one that says virtual assistant for affiliate support. You have expert for email support. You have customer service. Yes, phone and email data entry. Phone and email data entry. This particular job is actually an entry job. They need to hire 3 freelancers, as you can see. This is actually one of the easiest job I've seen on this particular platform. Yes, the employer stays in Scotland and the employer is looking to pay between $6 to $8 every hour. So imagine you are in Nigeria earning every hour between $6 to $8. They just pick a dollar rate of maybe about, I don't know. So that would be like maybe you'll be earning like 6K every hour. That's just an average, or maybe like 6 or 8K every hour. So that's more or less like just a little estimate of how much you'll be earning every hour. So definitely you will love to apply for this job. And this job, the only skill you need for this particular job is just to know how to speak English. That's just it. These are the type of jobs that you can apply to even if you do not have a skill. Like I have said in the beginning of this video, I started my freelancing job on this particular website. So if you have a skill, I've made a lot of videos about skills that you can actually acquire, meaningful skills that you can actually apply. And this particular job that I just shared with you was posted 14 minutes ago. Take a look at it. 14 minutes ago. The employer is actually between Canada and Scotland. Yeah, the employer is in Scotland and is looking for a remote worker. This employer has spent over $700,000 on this particular platform. Now, you input your image, you click on it. So once you click on it, you click on your profile. Now, once you click on your profile, I'm using my profile as an example, you understand, so that you would actually see what it looks like. This is my image. Please try and get a professional. I don't know how to, enlarge this email. I don't know how to enlarge this email, but please try and get a professional looking image. As you can see me here, I have a transparent glasses on. I have my hair packed and I have a corporate dress on. Don't go and put an image with Babariga or an image with Agbada or a native attire. It's just an expo. So then you input your location. Please be true with your location because employers on this platform are looking for remote workers. So not necessarily your location does not matter. Then you input what you want to do or what you can do. I actually work as a customer and chat support or a customer success agent. So please input what you can do and how you can actually work well on this platform. Also, you can actually write about about yourself. Please make it a well-detailed bio. That is what they need. In fact, if you send a CV or a cover letter or an application letter to an employer, the employer will actually click on your profile. You get it? The employer will click on your profile and check your bio. Here I said I am an experienced customer support personnel with active experience and customer support and administrative support in prestigious organizations. I have experience in email handling, inbound and outbound calls, handling social media account and live chat or video creation or editing. I have experience using MS Word, Google Map, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Calendar, CapCut, Filmora, all the blah, blah, blah. I have a friendly aura and I handle tasks assigned to me with enthusiasm. Just write something, good about yourself. You might not do as well as I have done here because I'm a graduate of literature. So you might not do as well as I have done here, but you can do better, or you can just, write something good that, that if any employer sees this, they would definitely want to employ you. You understand? Now, if you have any other thing that you want to add, please feel free to add. If you have any certifications that you want to add, feel free to add. If you're looking to become a virtual assistant, for this particular job that is up here, the employer has spent over $100 and they're looking for a virtual assistant needed for daily meetings. The free virtual assistant course that was actually organized by ALX and MasterCard. The course is everything you will ever need as a virtual assistant. So you can go on Google, browse about ALX and MasterCard virtual assistant course and apply. It is a free course. You just have to take a short examination, which is actually what anybody can actually take and pass, and you show your interest. You actually have to be interested in becoming a virtual assistant. So you can use the free certificate from ALX to build your portfolio on this particular website. So guys, with that being said, that is a lot I have spilled on how to make money on this particular website. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please do to hit the subscribe button and majorly like this video.